EarGround Radio. New voices amplified.
You spoke about content. You spoke about content relevance, and now we have a whole generation of young artists that are coming up, especially in the Zimdancehall side, that are finding so much excitement around profanity and vulgar. What's your response to that?
Look at Winky D. Winky D doesn't sing anything profane. Yeah, does a love song which is like a fairy tale. Mugaden. It's a fairy tale. It's like a fairy tale. You're reading a fairy tale book when you watch that video. It's like reading you're flipping through a fairy tale book with pictures. Was it profane in that video? No, he wasn't. That song wasn't. But was it? Look at the millions of views it has. Why? Because it was a song that was just well put together. You don't have to sing about bizarres and all these nonsense, you know.
Yeah.
You know, that Kanjiwa song was a nice song, but then when you now morph and you start singing about all sorts of nonsense and women's anatomy and so forth, it loses its irrelevance. Let's respect the opposite sex when we sing music. Yeah. Let's respect humanity. Let's be human beings, because remember, beyond being a gospel artist myself, there's also a certain level of humanness. Ubuntu, that comes. Look at people like Derek. Derek sings songs that are, very, very gritty and witty. Look at Watafi's new songs. People are thinking, they're putting thought to their craft. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to be profane for you to get recognition. It only lasts so long. Already, 2 years from now, some of these songs, that dancehall songs, won't be sang anymore. Then you get church leaders and prophets jumping on the bandwagon. That's a whole nother story for another day. Remember if you say you're a man of God, remember who God is. God is a consuming fire. Don't play in his rules.
But what's your take on that?
It's not necessary to do that. It's not necessary to do that. So I don't want to attack him, because some of them, I know them personally here and there. But I'm just saying, Kuti, listen, if you're going to sponsor profanity, be careful. Be careful, because God is a consuming fire. He's a consuming fire.
New voices amplified. EarGround.